Hey planners, it's Taya Shante Plants and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning my February dashboard. This is my first time doing a dashboard plan with me in my new Sadie Stickers planner. I did my dashboard for January and that I didn't film because I was trying to work out how I was going to use this grid format. If you've been watching my dashboard videos for a while, you know that in 2021 I was in the Harriet Wright Designs Planner, which had sections on her dashboard page. In the Sadie Stickers Planner, it's just a grid. And so what I decided to do was to break this into two halves. So the top half I use to keep track of my sticker orders throughout the month. And so first just draw in sections using a pen so that I have an area to write the date I placed my order, the shop, a short description of what I ordered, and then to check off when it shipped and when it arrives. And then I decorated that with some florals. I just cut them in half to create sort of a long floral trim across the top and bottom of that area. And then the foiled, very ornate, decorative washi length trim that I used underneath the florals is from Paper Trail Plans, or over the florals, not underneath. And then I added in some of the deco from the Sweet Planner deco sheet, and that order tracker script is from Panda Bird Design. And I'm just going to repeat that same pattern underneath the bottom of that order tracker section, and that's going to help break up and separate the top from the bottom half in which I will be tracking my kits. It took me a lot of looking, trying to figure out what fashion doll I wanted to use for this, and then I came across this one who was on a completely different sticker sheet, and she was holding this little umbrella, and I was like, that feels very, very February for California. In my part of California, I don't get snow, but we do get rain in February. And so that felt really appropriate. And I loved that she was in her little pink coat with the little rain boots. I thought she's just beyond adorable. And so I knew I wanted to use that fashion doll for this spread. I am pulling in some cute little fancy boxers from Sadie Stickers. These were from a $2 Tuesday, like last spring. So I've had them in my collection for a while now. And so I was glad to get a chance to use them. And I'm just placing those boxes down. I'm going to use them to write down the names of the kits that I use for each of my weekly spreads throughout the month. And that's how I keep track of those. And I'm just decorating that with some of the deco. So stinking cute. I love the little books and the makeup brushes and the candle. I thought it was all just way too adorable. And February is definitely the month where I embrace all of my pink, all of my girly, all of the romantic vibes and the hearts. It is just, I allow myself to go as cutesy as I want to for the month of February, because it's Valentine's Day and it's love and romance and all of that stuff. So I just go for it and have like the best time. This was just so much pink and rose gold, and I adore it. Very, very me. So anywho, now I want to put down my faith quote, and this is from Iconic Imperfections. But first I'm going to add a little bit of deco to that bottom corner. I pulled in that pillow with the florals and candle layered on top of that. I wanted that right next to the faith quote, and then I'm adding in some more florals. Just want to kind of decorate it, incorporate it in so that it definitely flows with the rest of the spread. And then once I have that down, I'm going back up into the order tracker section. I like decorating sort of the lines because, I mean, it doesn't require too much. And I think last year I really didn't do as much decorating, but I like adding in a little bit of deco to this section so that it doesn't look quite so plain while the bottom is so heavily decorated. Once I can start writing in my orders, it fills in this area and it doesn't look so open, but I like starting by adding in some of the florals, and then those hearts are from Honey Inked, and it all just tied together really beautifully. Now I just want to add in the month script because, believe it or not, I totally forgotten that I hadn't put it down on the page until I got to the end, and I was like, oh, something's missing. The February. So that script is from Paper Trail Plans, and I'm just adding some florals and hearts around it. Then I'm bringing in a kit script, also a custom from a shop that is now closed. And that finishes up this spread. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.